gotta work there.
You still have to wait. What is she pays checks? So what the hell's rushing? You know?
I have no clue.
People are dying.
Really?
By accident, though. Like, who's getting shot by accident? They're dying because it was an accident. No, that's funny.
Oh, Carol, you
I
should take it home.
I thought that was.
Carol, you should take it home.
I thought that was a wrong in the world.
That's funny. That's funny. Who's just dying by accident? Not because
If you died by accident, would you laugh at yourself?
Yes,
But you're dead, you can't laugh.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I just got shot.
So if you're dead laying there, you would be laughing. It would be like a nerve.
Yeah, like I just like
twitching.
Like,
Alright, we gotta cut it. We're leaving.
oh my God. Okay, look, this is Romeo. You know, saying peace, love, and good night.